In this video, we will show you how to use section breaks in Word. Click where you want to insert a section break. Click the Layout tab and click the Breaks button. There are 4 categories to choose from. We want to start a new section break on the next page, so let's click Next Page. As you can see, the information entered after the insertion point is on the next page. To delete a section break, click the Home tab, click the Show Hide button, click the View tab, click the Draft View button, select the section break and press Delete. Let's go back to the Print Layout view. Now let's say we want to insert a section break to change the orientation for this screenshot. We're going to insert 2 section breaks, one before the screenshot and one after. Click the Layout tab, click the Breaks button, and select Continuous. Now let's insert the other section break. Click the Layout tab and click the Orientation button and select Landscape. Now this is the only page with landscape orientation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.